Welcome to Magic Yuyu Fun Arts.
Hello guys!
For today, let's learn how to draw a train. It's super easy. Let's paint it. Orange.
Farmer in the dell, the farmer in the dell. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes the wife, the farmer takes the wife. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife. The wife takes the child, the wife takes
Yellow.
the child. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the wife takes the child. The child takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse. The nurse takes the cow, the nurse takes the cow. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the nurse takes the cow. The cow takes the dog, the cow takes the dog. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cow takes the dog.
Blue.
The dog takes the cat, the dog takes the cat. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the dog takes the cat. The cat takes the mouse, the cat takes the mouse. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cat takes the mouse.
Purple.
The mouse takes the cheese, the mouse takes the cheese. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the mouse takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone, the cheese stands alone. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone.
Pink.
Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on
Red.
the bus go round and round, all through the town. The wheels on
Green.
the bus. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish.
Let's put glitters on it.
Swish, swish, swish.
Glue.
Wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town.
Orange glitters.
The wheels on the bus. Yeah!
Yellow glitters.
The wheels on the
Hope you
bus.
liked it.
Bye! Bye-bye!
See you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.